My name is Mikhaela. I'm from Jersey City, and I've been training with Tina for a couple of months now. I had always wanted to get better at strength training with barbells, and so I found one of her barbell workshops, so I signed up for it. I remember thinking I was so nervous on the first day, not knowing what to expect, but as soon as Tina welcomed me with this huge smile on her face, I knew right then that I made the right decision. Since working with Tina, it's been really great. She's extremely professional. She's constantly helping me improve my form, which in turn has made me so much stronger, so much more confident with what my body can do. And I think one of my biggest wins with her is just setting personal records for myself with the different lifts, which I thought I never could accomplish in my life. And so I highly recommend working with Tina. Not only is she great at what she does, she's extremely passionate about her work and she cares about the people that she's working with. She's always challenging me and pushing me to do better each day. And so I really do enjoy working with her. I'll continue training with her and hopefully keep getting stronger and at the same time have fun with it.